As the landscape changes around us, take a look to your left. You will see the Himalayan tahr, a species of mountain goat well adapted to life at height. The sure-footed tahr has special hooves that allow it to move through rocky terrain of the mountain. Compare its thick curved horns with the sweeping horns on the animal to your right. This is the baral, also known as the Himalayan blue sheep, a favorite prey of the snow leopard. The blue tint on the baral's coat makes it almost invisible against the background of blue-grey rock typically found in its habitat. Moving on to the rocky outcrop to the right, we have the mako, king of all mountain goats. Adult male makos have impressive spiral-shaped horns. Makos are endangered due to relentless poaching for the ornamental value of their horns. It is the demand for animal parts like these that pushes many species toward extinction. Remember, you buy, they die.
Flamingos.
We leave the foothills behind and wade through the marsh. You can't miss our striking greater flamingos. Flamingos feed without ever looking at the food. With their head upside down, they take in mouthfuls of water and strain tiny organisms from the water using their specialized beaks. Take a deep breath, everyone. Got a whiff of that? That musky scent is the unmistakable smell of our Asian small-clawed otters. They scent mark their territory to keep unfamiliar otters away. Otters are highly social animals that communicate with a range of calls. They do everything. As we move into the clearing, look around. These are the bara singha, also known as swamp deer. In Hindi, bara means 12 and singha means horn. Bara singha refers to the multiple points on the male's antlers. The antlers are formidable weapons used to fend off rival stags during the mating season. After each mating season, the antlers are shed. You might also notice some spotted deer. These are the axis deer, or cheetah. When alarmed, they produce a loud barking call. Predators and their prey interact in unique ways within an ecosystem. Keep your eyes peeled and your ears wide open. Also notice some spotted deer. These are the axis deer, or cheetah. When alarmed, they produce king deer. Males spot antlers which are used to spar with other males for mates. They shed their antlers after each mating season. Used for defense against predators. Males also use their horns to establish dominance in the herd. Their rotund appearance belies their formidable strength. Nile hippos are considered one of the most aggressive animals on Earth. They are able to chase down threats quickly and deliver fatal bites with large teeth. No night safari tour is complete without a walk through the forest on the well-marked, easy-to-follow trails. Other elusive males can hunt in peace. After the hunt, the males will have his fill first, followed by the females, and lastly, the cubs. The lion is the national animal of Singapore. Legend tells of Prince Sanggila Utama, who named this city Singapura, or Lion City, because he saw a lion when he first landed on the island. There's just one problem with that story. Lions aren't native to Singapore. Maybe the prince saw a strange, unknown animal and assumed charismatic species to help preserve its global population under a human care. Digging, stripping bark from trees to eat, and more. Sadly, these tasks also make wild elephants targets for the illegal ivory trade. Elephants in the wild also face the ever-present threat of conflict with humans. The challenge now is to protect these dwindling wild populations. We support conservationists at the forefront of various efforts across Southeast Asia. As we move up the bend, look ahead, and you might be able to spot the king his name. One look at Chawang, and the first thing you notice are his impressive tusks.